I add this to my laundry, and my towels come out soft as a cloud. It's the same trick used in the best spa resorts. Rough towels can easily take away the joy of a relaxing bath, but you don't need to spend money replacing them. Just a few simple home methods will bring back their softness. Remember to wash towels at about 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and for heavier dirt, you can go up to 140. Use liquid detergent instead of powder, which can build up between the fibers and make them stiff. An even better solution is a cup of vinegar mixed with a few drops of oil. I'll tell you which one in a moment. Pour this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. It will disinfect and refresh the towels. You can also mix a few drops of the oil with baking soda and add it directly to the drum. The simplest way is to add a few drops straight into the drum. It gives your towels a fresh, natural scent and has antibacterial properties. The oil refreshes, removes bacteria, and leaves no residue on the fibers. The whole secret lies in eucalyptus oil. It costs next to nothing, but the effect of soft, spa-like towels is absolutely priceless. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash.